I like how it's the same voice actress in all of them.
Yeah, she's a queen.
I like how she's like clean and beautiful still.
I told you, look at her eyelashes. Literally, mascara could never. Look at that.
I like how everyone has pearly white teeth.
To be seen from a new trampoline.
Oh, yes! Woo! Let's go!
Survival!
Barbie! Barbie, let's go! Let's go!
This Barbie looks way different than the others that I've seen in these movies. She looks different.
I think they tried to not put as much makeup on her because
She
she's
looks
an island
younger?
well, yeah. I think she's around like 16.
my neighbor sent me a message.
No! Oh, Vesper.
I don't think they heard Barbie. I think they just hear me screaming. Okay.
The death of this poor man.
All right, no more. I'm no longer a Barbie stan.
Why?
No.
What happened?
My neighbor sent me a text.
He got a noise
He's like,
complaint.
what the f are you doing up there?
Oh.
Grown man watching a Barbie movie.
Hey, that's what? There's nothing wrong with that. It's good content.
Tell them that Barbie threw a spear and they'll understand.
Yeah. Barbie killed it, dude.
Yeah.